Oh. Oh yeah, it's Monday. It's our day off.
Some of us have to work around here.
Apparently. You're my lovely gardener, aren't you?
Yeah. I just decided we should probably see some of this landscaping buried under here.
Yeah.
Bug juice. Ew. Oh, I don't even know if I want to clean that. Starting to think I might take it to somebody.
Now where are we?
We are at Blue Water. We're pretending it's summer.
Well, it is almost.
Still a little bit chilly.
Yeah.
We're looking at the delicious menu.
Man, that is a great menu. Nice place. What's the holiday, Dustin?
It's National Siblings Day, Dad. Hey, happy National Siblings Day.
Happy National Siblings Day.
Oh, bless these siblings' hearts.
You get that.
You guys want some corn and potatoes?
So cute.
Yes. After it gets
Yeah, it's gross.
Nice and
Are they super hot?
They're pretty spicy.
I mean, like, temperature-wise.
We're gonna watch a mother-son workout, I guess. Wow.
yeah.
He's more like his mama than his daddy.
He's strong. You can do that.
Now you do it.
I can't. Makes me nervous jumping up here.
You do it all the time at the gym. It's
I
the
know,
same
but
thing.
There's ground all around me when I'm at the gym.
Wow. That's a strong little mama.
One.
Do another.
Oh, you wore yourself out, didn't you? This guy's in the middle of his work day and just came home to
Get his hairs cut.
work out.
So like, it just happened. 9 o'clock gas goes to 5:45.
Because no expectations down for me.
So are you at the supermarket?
Huh?
Are you at the supermarket?
Yeah. Satellite supermarket.
We need to come here. Did you notice that there's a payphone over there?
Such thing.
I'm telling you, I'm looking right at it.
Yeah, but it's sealed.
Yeah, they used to use those for a dime.
Like I was sitting in it and I smelled it from the email.
But no.
All right. Oh, it's not on the radio? All right, let me get a shot of it with this old contraption. What is that thing?
I want to be like, what is this? What is this? Yeah, just bound them up and yeah.
This is a great shot of you. How you doing? We're filming everybody tonight, sorry.
It's not,
Hefeweizen.
yeah.
Is that what it is?
Do you smell that delicious smell coming out of this?
We're just beautiful now.
Hey, guys! Oh, Scooby-Doo! That's my kitty voice.
You don't look like that.
We're bunny rabbits. Oh no!
This is so big.